Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater.
About to pull up now, LKQ Huntsville. So I find somewhere to park over there. Out the way. I can park over here. Okay. I'm out here at LKQ with my boy, Raw.
What's up, y'all?
We're
doing
Customs.
adventures right quick out here. Little adventure.
Yeah, we're finna do a junkyard adventure. We came out here the other day. They had Cadillac CTS with a panoramic in it. Also, a Box Chevy was out here and a Camaro. Thinking about getting the Camaro seats, but that's been a few days ago. Not sure what's still out here, but we finna find out. We was looking all over for this Cadillac CTS. I thought somebody had came and bought the whole car because it was a spot down there on the other end that I thought it was at. It was missing. It didn't have no car there, so I thought somebody came and got it because when we came out here, the car was complete. Everything was still in it, but they done got the seats out since we've been out here. But it's clean though. That's the roof. Ain't nobody touched it, so we gonna have to get it. Do a lot. But this is a 08 Cadillac CTS. One of the items that I came back out here to get. Guess we lucked up on this one. Always good to keep them on hand. So we're gonna take our tools, get the removal. You can see we're coming on with it. We got the headliner down. Remove these drain tubes. I like it don't want to come off. I'll put some more drain tubes on there. I just got to keep this. It might be hard to pull down. You see it? Let's twist it. I got the interior trim piece. Gotta make sure I say that.
Okay, y'all see, we got the glass out. Sprayway getting it out the car right now.
If I can get it out.
Oh, you can get it. Sprayway kind of strong, y'all.
I'm gonna take it through the roof.
You gonna take it through the roof?
Yeah.
Sprayway got me over here recording. So y'all probably like, why you ain't helping him, bro? He got me over here getting this footage. And then he said he want to show y'all how strong he is.
It's getting on up.
I'll have to turn it.
Nah, I ain't gonna take it. Give y'all an update. We done got the glass out. I'm gonna show you the glass over here. My battery had died, so I had to go get the other battery out the truck. This is it here. Now I gotta cut the frame out. I done started cutting back here. I'm trying to keep from cutting all this double metal, but it's pretty much doubled up in here.
Okay, y'all, as y'all see, we got the frame cut out for the panoramic. The bolt too, that must get welded onto the new car. But also, we want to show y'all this.
We found a cheat code, the easy way to get it out, because it's like these two metals here, you can see. And what I did, I just took the sawzall, the blade, kind of had it sideways so it wouldn't go through the two metals, but you can see where it was hitting right there. And I went all the way around on the end, also up here. And then once I got it cut out, I came back and got my pry tool here and a hammer and just separated the two metals, because it's just glued. Once you unbolt it, it just glued, the two metals glued. That's how we got it off, with the help of raw. Every time it get a lot easier.
Oh yeah, help always make it easy.
Now I guess we're finna go on over here with this Box Chevy at and see what we got.
We're finna cut some more stuff up, y'all.
Ross said somebody done got the Camaro.
I might have overlooked it though. But you know, it was like a...
It's two on my head though. But we'll figure it out once we get over there. We're finna load up. All right, here's the Box Chevy, y'all. It still look the same how it looked when we was out here. Ain't nobody got nothing else off of it. It's been wrecked. The seats was gone the first day we was out here. But I came out here for the floor. The whole floor, itself, I want the whole floor. Because it don't got no rust at all. Now I'm gonna use it on my Landau, because my Landau got a little rust on my floor pans. But this floor pan here real good. I want to cut the whole thing out, even the rockers. If I can use parts of the rocker as well. I don't know if I'm able to get this door open. Hope so. Well, let me show you the car. Still got some of the trim on it. That's good. Trunk look like it's good. Well, now they done bust the lock, but other than that, the trunk look good. Good trunk weather shipping. It's 85. Door seals look good. I might take those. Yeah, probably get them. Oh, this how my 86 Landau look. The trim got this silver gray looking inside. I'm missing this on mine, but this one here tore up, so don't make no sense getting it. But it got a factory radio though. I know a lot of guys be looking for the factory radios. I'm trying to talk raw into getting the Box Chevy. Got the emblem here. You gonna switch over and get your Box Chevy raw?
Man, you got one already coming.
Nah, I ain't getting rid of none of the mans. He trying to get my 4-door, but no, I'm gonna hang on to it. I was gonna come back out here tomorrow and deal with this Box Chevy, but the road done talked me into it. Staying on out here.
While we out here, we gotta come back.
Yeah, cause this roof here, it's hot out here. I done got kind of tired, but I think we'll go ahead and get it out. Be done with it. I'll cut y'all back on once we get started. I guess we need to get all this trash off and up in here first, cause it's just weighing it down in the way. I'm gonna move all this trash out of here. Throw it to the side.
I don't know who the dude is. That's who used to drive the car, right?
Alright, I finally got all the seat belts out the way. Now I'm removing this carpet so I can see what I'm working with. Get it on out my way.
Right on out the back door.
Y'all can see the floorboard perfect. It's just some, this ain't no rust here, it's just like some red dirt or red clay. But ain't no rust spots. You can see. Perfect floor for 85. Now I gotta start cutting. I want the rocker panels and all. I'm gonna have to go up under it and take some of the body bolts out. A couple of them, well, a couple of them on each side. We finally got it cut out. As you can see, it took us a while to do. Somebody was a job. We was hitting a lot of double metal up here. That's why it's cut out like that. My floor good right there, so it won't be no big deal. Now we got to get it up out of here in one piece. Alright, we finally got it out. Old Raw touched down and tore up the place. Y'all see what he did. He talked me into doing it. Yeah, look totally different, don't it? We got all the stuff up here. We got the floor pan and the panoramic. It was a good old days of junkyard adventure with my homeboy Raw. What you think, Raw?
Man, I think we just killed it. Only thing we didn't get was those Camaro seats.
Nah, I think we're gonna pass on those today. We might come back a later date and get those. I'm wore out now.
Y'all know what time it is now. It's beer drinking time. We finna get up out of here. Raw need him a good cold Bud Light. Drink responsibly.
Alright, y'all stay tuned. I might clean it up once I get home.
The next day.
Made it back with the floor pan, the roof. Got the roof over here. Me and Raw over here figuring out the wiring. We done took all the wires that we ain't gonna need out the harness. All this here. And we just keeping what we need. I'm gonna get Raw, work the switches here.
Alright.
We got the shade and the roof. Go ahead and hit the roof.
Roof test one.
One touch for us, the roof going back. The shade to go back once you hit the roof, but you can operate the shade by itself as well. Now do that tilt.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you went back.
Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong fault, y'all. I hit the wrong one.
Yeah, you gotta hold it on the
there it is.
tilt. There you go. Now on the wiring, I'm gonna get Raw to hold this. Maybe I can tell y'all what's what. You come down here and I'm gonna try to tell them what's what. Okay, from the motor, we got a thick orange wire and a thick black wire and a green, brown, and purple, and two blues. The thick orange, I got the green connected to it, and from the switches, it's two grays I got both grades. That's the lights on the switches. Both grades hooked up to the orange and the green. And on we got a black wire coming from the switches. It's hooked up to the black wire, the thick black wire from the motor. The purple is hooked up to the purple. The brown is hooked up to the brown. Then we got two blue ones coming from the motor. Then we got an orange and a blue one coming from the switches. One orange hook up to the blue. One blue hook up to the, the other blue hook up to the blue. That's about it. I know this probably be confusing because it look like spaghetti right here, but once y'all get it, y'all get the picture. That's about it. Y'all stay tuned for the install on some lucky vehicle. I don't know what we're gonna put it in, but we're gonna put it in something. You see, I'm stepping back while you going forward and make it seem like you moving fast.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from